Giving gifts is a great way to soften the heart and create the atmosphere of love. The world is quite deficient in love, and the atmosphere is quite contaminated with everything not love. Greed, envy, violence, ego, cruelty. So we have to generate more of an atmosphere of love. As the searchlight sends out a great beam of light in the sky, so the devotee should be like a searchlight of love and compassion and spread an atmosphere throughout his life and contacts, an atmosphere of love and caring, which means Krishna Bhakti.